Hi friends, welcome to my channel Physics Room. Today we discuss about equation of continuity. The total number of particles n in a volume V can change only if there is a net flux of particles across the surface S and the particle flux density Nu. Every number of particles having volume V through element of R ds is Nv is ds. Total average number of particles through volume V. The whole surface is integral of S Nv dot ds. This is the equation number 1. Let number of particles in dV is N is equal to N dV. Total number of particles in V is number of particles in volume integral V N dot dV. If the rate of decrease number of particles having S integral of surface area Nv dot ds equal to minus partial over partial t in volume whole volume particles V integral N dV. By applying divergence theorem to convert surface into the volume, integral of V del dot Nv dV equal to minus partial over partial t integral of V and dV. Here integral volume integral, here volume integral, so cancel to each other and we have del dot Nv equal to minus partial n over partial t. Minus partial over partial t, this is its side, plus, so the equation of continuity is partial n over partial t plus del dot Nv equal to 0. It's the equation of continuity.